Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can crop a video in Premiere Pro. So the video I'm going to be using is of a man using a drill press. A link to the video will be in the description. So if you haven't got a project started already, you want to create a new one, and then you want to bring your video clips onto the timeline. Now to crop the video, all we're going to do is we're going to click the Effects tab over here. So once we've clicked the Effects tab, we're then going to click in the search box, and we're going to type crop. Now, once we've typed crop, you should be able to see a video effect called crop down here, and we're going to drag the video effect onto the clip in the timeline. And then once we've done that, we're then going to click on the clip in the timeline, and then we're going to click Effects Controls up here. Now in Effects Controls, this is where we can adjust the crop. So we have how much we want it to crop from the left, the top, the right, and the bottom. Now to change these values, you can either click and then input a percentage such as 10%, or you can click on the percentage and then hold the left click down and then drag right to increase it, or drag left to decrease it. So I can do this, increase the left and increase the right crop, and then there we go, the video has now been cropped. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.